Hello friends, today's video regarding new Xperia 5 Mark V.
Like I've seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
Small, inventive, and powerful. Sony employs this strategy to promote the Xperia 5 Mark V. And it appears that it will meet their expectations. Despite being smaller than the Xperia 1 Mark V, the new Xperia 5 Mark V includes almost all of its capabilities, with the exception of the zoom camera and 4K display resolution. The new Xperia 5 Mark V is no exception, drawing design inspiration from the earlier Xperia 1 Mark V and being released in the second half of the year. Everything you need to know about the new phone is right here. Sony unveiled the Xperia 5 Mark V on September 1st, but there is presently no information available regarding an official release or sale date. We predict that the phone will be sold in the United States, the United Kingdom, Europe, and several Asian nations. This is not the first time that the Xperia 5 series has been less priced than the Xperia 1 line. The Xperia 5 Mark V costs €999 in Europe and £849 in the United Kingdom. The availability in the United States has yet to be disclosed. The Xperia 5 Mark V is a tall, thin, and light device packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a flat aluminum frame, two Gorilla Glass Victus 2 panels, a stunning 21:9 120Hz OLED screen, and of course, the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This, like the Xperia 5 Mark IV, comes paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. Sony's 6.1-inch FHD Plus OLED panel, 21:9, screen is the same as last year's model. This allows for a more cost-effective design than typical flagship phones. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark V also includes a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt wired and 18-watt wireless charging rates. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark V enhanced front-facing stereo speakers have become somewhat of a Sony trademark. A 3.5mm connector is also provided, which does not jeopardize the device's IP65, IP68 ingress protection. A microSD card slot is also included, let alone those of the best class. The Xperia 5 Mark V provides a multimedia-centric experience. This is made possible by features like as the Game Enhancer Suite, Video Creator software, a 3.5mm connector, and 1 year of unlimited streaming on the Bravia core. In terms of audio, the Xperia 5 Mark V features Sony's digital sound enhancement engine, DSEE, twin stereo speakers, LDAC codec support, and 360 reality audio capabilities. Sony is well known for its superb cameras, and the Xperia 5 Mark V unquestionably has the most up-to-date hardware. The 52MP Exmor T main camera, 12MP AF ultrawide camera, and 12MP selfie camera are all from the Xperia 1 Mark V. There is no zoom camera this year, but Sony has added a 2x lossless zoom to the primary camera, which should compensate for the lack of telephoto. Portrait mode on the Sony Xperia 5 Mark V outperforms that on the Xperia 1 Mark V, and the PhotoPro software has been updated to support 4K at 60 and 120 frames per second, as well as slow motion functions. There is also a new video creator app focusing on telling tales for content creators, as well as a renovated game center. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark V paper packaging is made from recycled paper. Because it is so eco-friendly, the retail bundle just includes the phone itself. There isn't even a USB cable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this